Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best sewing needles is probably one of the most overlooked tools in sewing, yet choosing the right one dramatically impacts your project's success. From the delicate curves of embroidery to the sturdy strength needed for denim, understanding needle types and their applications is key to achieving professional-looking results. This video will guide you through the essential types of sewing needles, helping you select the perfect needle for every fabric and sewing technique, ensuring your projects are flawlessly executed every time. Number 5. Coquimbo Sewing Kit. This kit has all the essentials for basic sewing repairs. It includes needles, thread, scissors, and more, all neatly organized. It's designed to keep everything secure, needles are safely stored, and nothing falls out when you open it. Everything is easy to find and use. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel or keeping in your bag. You'll always be prepared for quick repairs, wherever you go. It's an ideal gift for travelers, moms, grandmas, or anyone who appreciates a practical and useful item. It's perfect for both men and women. We're confident you'll love it. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a full money-back guarantee. Buy with confidence. What we like? It has everything you need for basic repairs, neatly organized so nothing gets lost. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel or emergencies. If you're looking for a convenient and complete sewing solution for on-the-go repairs, this is the kit for you. What people say. Great organization, has everything I need. Works out great. This is ideal for making repairs on the road. It comes with literally everything you need to make repairs to holes or tears. Lots of thread, plenty of various size needles and assorted tools to assist you. This sewing kit is a lifesaver. It has everything you could need for quick fixes or small projects, all neatly packed in a compact, portable case. The variety of thread colors is impressive, and the included tools, like needles, scissors, and a measuring tape, are sturdy and practical. Number 4. Singer 04801 Sewing Machine Needles. This is a set of 5 heavy-duty sewing machine needles, perfect for your toughest sewing projects. They're designed to handle heavy fabrics with ease. You get a variety of sizes in this pack. There are needles for medium-weight denim, heavyweight cotton, and medium-weight leather. It's compatible with most sewing machines, including popular brands like Singer, Brother, and Kenmore. They're ready to use right out of the box. These needles are ideal for sewing heavy fabrics like denim, corduroy, and leather. They'll make your sewing projects much easier. The needles come in a slim case for easy storage and the sizes are clearly marked on the lid. Keeping them organized has never been easier. The pack includes 2 size 116 needles, 2 size 110-18 needles, and 1 size 90-14 needle. You'll be prepared for any sewing task. What we like? These needles are built to handle tough fabrics like denim and leather. The variety of sizes ensures you have the right needle for any project. If you frequently sew heavy materials, this set will be a valuable addition to your sewing machine setup. What people say. Great for sewing through couch cushions covers. Normal needle broke but this worked perfectly. My first project in sewing is to patch my old Wranglers. I bought this needle for sewing in denim so far, it works great. It is strong enough to withstand my inexperience. Having recently incorporated these needles into my sewing kit, I am compelled to share my enthusiasm for these exceptional needles. First and foremost, these needles are a true workhorse. Designed for heavy-duty sewing tasks, they effortlessly pierce through multiple layers of fabric, denim, canvas, and even leather with precision and ease. Number 3. 23 PCS Large Eye Sewing Needle Set. This comprehensive set includes 23 large eye needles, perfect for various sewing projects. It's a must-have for any crafter or sewer. These needles are crafted from durable stainless steel, ensuring they're strong and reliable for all your sewing needs. They'll easily pierce through various fabrics. The extra large eye makes threading a breeze, saving you time and frustration. Even thicker threads will glide through effortlessly. The set comes with a handy plastic storage bottle to keep your needles organized and protected. This makes it easy to carry your needles wherever you go. These needles are ideal for a wide range of sewing and crafting projects, from stitching clothes to creating leather goods. They're incredibly versatile. Whether you're sewing delicate fabrics or working with thick leather, these needles will handle it with ease. Their strength and sharpness make them perfect for any material. What we like. The large eye makes threading a breeze, saving you time and frustration. They're made of sturdy stainless steel and come in a handy storage case. If you struggle with threading or need needles for thicker yarns, these are a great choice. What people say. They are also perfect for younger people who have trouble threading needles, but love to do embroidery and similar works of art. They're big enough to hold comfortably, easy to thread, and sharp enough for most fabrics. The little tube is perfect for shipping as well as storage. They are almost the exact same oversized heavy needles that are sold in the point shoe sewing kits. Number 2. Singer 07370 Hand Needles. This compact set has everything you need for your sewing projects. It includes a variety of needle sizes and a handy threader. With sizes 2 through 7, it's perfect for various tasks, from delicate embroidery to sturdy mending. Whether you're hemming pants, mending tiers, or creating intricate embroidery, it has the right needle for the job. This versatile set contains a range of needle types to suit all your sewing needs. You'll be prepared for any project. The compact case keeps your needles safe, organized, and easily accessible. No more hunting for the right needle. Threading needles has never been easier. This set comes with a convenient threader to save you time and frustration. What we like. This set provides a wide range of needle sizes for various sewing tasks. The compact case keeps everything organized and protected. The included needle threader is a thoughtful addition that simplifies the threading process. If you need a variety of hand needles for different projects and appreciate convenience, this is a great option. What people say. The case alone is awesome. The needles are neatly separated by size in each compartment. Fits perfect in my travel case. Has 5 compartments for needles that can be opened individually and snap securely closed. The back panel is a nice extra touch with plenty of room for needle threader, thread orts, or small notes. It comes with a little cheat sheet of what each needle is for, which is nice if you're not familiar with all the sizes. This pack includes needles in sizes 2 through 7, covering everything I need for a wide range of hand sewing tasks. Whether I'm working on delicate embroidery or sturdy repairs, the variety here is suitable for most household and craft projects. The compact storage case is a real plus, especially for keeping the needles organized and easy to find. Number 1. Singer 01125 Hand Needles. This comprehensive set offers a variety of needles perfect for all your sewing needs. It's got everything from embroidery to darning needles. With needles in assorted sizes, it's easy to find the perfect one for any project, big or small. You'll be prepared for any sewing task. From delicate embroidery to sturdy mending, these needles are versatile and reliable. They're perfect for all your sewing projects. Made from nickel-plated steel, they are strong, durable, and resistant to rust. They'll last through countless projects. This set is a must-have for any sewing kit. It provides everything you need for a wide range of sewing tasks. With 45 needles in total, you'll always have the right tool for the job. No more searching for the perfect needle. What we like. It offers an extensive collection of needles perfect for a wide array of sewing projects and techniques. Made from strong, rust-resistant material. If you're a serious sewer needing a comprehensive collection of needles for all types of projects, this is the set for you. What people say. Great pack of assorted needles. I had a Singer needle pack for many years and finally needed to replenish my supply. This variety pack assures you'll always have the right needle on hand. The needles are sturdy and easy to work with. This came exactly as pictured. I've had these and been using them for about 4 years now with no issues. Singer is definitely a quality brand and these needles are high quality. These are easy to use and the variety is great, lots of different sizes. They are also pretty sharp. None came broken or damaged for me and all that I have used so far are still working like brand new after light to moderate use across years. These come with different sizes and different lengths. There's one for every job, except like super heavy duty stuff. I didn't see one that could sew leather shoes for example. But I did use one to sew a case for New York phone and it worked as expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.